Hello, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Range Rover Evoque D200 Autobiography. It's finished in the colour Corinthian Bronze, and it features the 2-litre mild hybrid diesel engine with the automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, delivering a very impressive driving experience. This Evoque sits very nicely on 21-inch alloy wheels, and it features pixel LED headlights which light up the road nicely. In the boot you'll find 472 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,576 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you have your beautiful cloud and ebony Windsor leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top you have the panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior. With your front seats you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On your multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster, and to the right you have your adaptive cruise control. Here on the digital display you have your digital dials as well as access to information and settings that you can adjust. There's also a heads-up display providing you with essential driving data on the road ahead. Centered here in the dashboard you have the Pivi Pro touchscreen display, providing you with access to a range of different features like DAB, FM and AM radio, or you can play your own music with Bluetooth and USB connectivity. There's the Bluetooth telephone connectivity, as well as access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep well connected with your phone while on the go. There's built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You also have other features like your slope assist and wheel information. Also on the touchscreen you'll find your automatic dual zone climate control. The vehicle also comes with heated and ventilated front seats to keep you at the perfect temperature no matter the weather. This Evoque also has a 360 camera and parking sensors, making parking super easy. In the centre console you'll find your automatic gear selector along with 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.